Hey everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Today we are making really quick 5 minutes Oreo cake in microwave. This recipe requires really less ingredients which are easily available at home. So let's start. So here we're going to start first by blending about 25 Oreo biscuits. So now we are going to blend it together until it's in a powder form. Now to this I'm going to be adding 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm just going to give it a real quick mix. Lastly, I'm going to be adding 1 1/4 cup of milk. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Now mix it well. So here I have lined my microwave safe bowl with some butter paper. In case you do not have butter paper, all you can do is just apply some butter on your mold and sprinkle some flour. This will just avoid the cake from sticking to the mold. Now I'm going to pour in the batter. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes our cake is ready. Now all I'm going to do is just insert a toothpick in the cake. If your toothpick comes out clear, that means your cake is properly baked. Now I'm going to let it cool down for a while. So the cake has cooled down completely and the cake is ready. Now I'm just going to remove the paper. And you can see it has come out so perfect and moist. So now I'm going to quickly decorate my cake. So here I have made a heart stencil just to decorate my cake. To make this stencil, all you need to do is just draw a heart shape on the piece of paper and then cut out the heart shape, and there you get a very simple heart stencil. Now I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar in the heart. Now I'm going to carefully remove the paper. So there you go, our beautiful Oreo cake is ready. It has come out really nice and moist. It smells like cookies and milk. So give it a try and let us know how does it comes out. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Today we are going to make chocolate cake in sandwich toaster. It's very quick and very easy to make. So let's start. For this we require 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of butter, half can of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half cup of Coke. You can also take water or milk in substitution of Coke, and choco chips. So we'll start the preparation. Firstly, we're going to take condensed milk. Next, add in butter. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Okay, so now we are going to beat it at the low level, at low speed until it gets nice and creamy. Okay, so now on the side we are going to mix our dry ingredients. For that we are taking all-purpose flour, mixing cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and just mix them well. Okay, so now just add in vanilla essence and condensed milk. Give it a mix. Now slowly add in your dry ingredients and then add in just a little bit of Coke and then give it a mix. Now again add in your dry ingredients and then again a little bit of Coke and again give it a mix. So it's going to be like a little bit of dry ingredients and then Coke, then again dry ingredients and Coke. This is the reason, just because so that everything is mixed well and there are just no lumps. And then finally last batch of dry ingredients and Coke. So we are basically adding in parts the ingredients. So this is the required consistency. You can see, so you can just add more or less of Coke to get the desired consistency. So if it is a bit stiff, you can add more Coke to get this consistency. Okay, so now the fun part. We are taking a sandwich toaster and we have preheated it and greased it with some butter. So now take your batter, fill in just a little bit of amount. Do not fill it all the way. And now just top it with some chocolate chips. You can also add nuts if you like. And now again the batter on the top. And spread it all the way. And now cover it and now bake it for about 3 minutes, and then we'll check in 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, it looks so good. So now we are just gonna flip it over. And now again cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes now. So after 2 minutes we are gonna just insert a toothpick and it comes out clear. That means your cake is nicely baked inside. And if it doesn't come out clear, you can keep it for another 1 minute. So our chocolate cake in sandwich toaster is ready. You can see it is looking so nice, spongy and soft. And you can just see it from inside. Nice and spongy and so soft. And the chocolate chips are nicely melted inside. So it took hardly 5 minutes, and you can see such a quick and easy cake to make. And just in 5 minutes in sandwich toaster. It tastes really good and it's nice and soft and spongy and delicious cake. You can actually enjoy it in your breakfast or whenever you're attempting to have a cake. It's really easy and quick. So if you like this video, do try it. And if you liked it, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Today we are making a really simple 2 minutes brownie in mug. For this real quick recipe, firstly we are going to need a microwave safe mug. So first we are going to start by adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now to this we are going to add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next we are adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now I'm going to mix it well. Once my dry ingredients are well combined, next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Now I'm going to mix it well. So this is just the consistency, you can see. Now it's ready to go in the oven. For the final touch, I'm just sprinkling some chocolate chips on the top. This is an optional step. Now I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes at high temperature, but it really depends on different microwave ovens, so you must keep an eye on it. So after 2 minutes, our microwave brownie is ready in mug. This looks really tasty and it came out really perfect. Now let's dig in and see how is it from inside. Wow, the bread came out really perfect. It is nice and fudgy. It's just perfect like brownie. It tastes really good and it took just 2 minutes to make this cake. We have many other microwave cakes which are ready in just 5 minutes on our channel Sharda Cook. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Give it a try and let us know how does it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.